Hi guys, you all know that MCET exam is going to start. So for the students who don't know how to crack the exam without preparation, so here I want to tell you some tricks to crack MCET. And now I am explaining how to guess the MCQs correctly. So and without wasting the time, here we go. Here is our first question. In the first question, they gave that f is onto function only, and another option is f is one function only. How can it be possible that that function only and this function only? And the third option is any function. So it's the correct answer, and we'll see that it's correct or not. Yeah, it's correct. And another question, we'll see that here. If we see the options, you can also see the question and answer, but I'm saying how to guess now. So by seeing the direct options, we can guess. Here directly we can take option 3 or 4 because they are the independent options. They have the similarity. So in that, how can we guess? By seeing the second option, if we cancel, it will be more than 1. So directly we can keep option 3, and we'll see that yes, it's the correct. And next, another question we and our third question is the options here are 2, 0, -1 and -2. For these questions, please blindly keep option 0. It may be correct because 70% it will be correct. So 70% chances are there 0 is the correct answer. So I'm keeping 0. It may be correct or may not be correct, and don't waste time. We'll go for the next question. Here if we see the options, first, second, third, in the first, second, third options, A2, A2, A2 in the second place. So we can take from these three, and by observing the fourth option, they gave that in the third place they gave that A3. If we observe that in the first three options, it is in the second option. So blindly keep second option, and we'll see it's correct or not. Yeah, it's correct. We'll go for the next question. And next question, here we can see the options. Third and fourth question, they gave that 8D and 8D. So we can take the option that 3 and 4. But in this, how can we guess the correct option? Means if we see the first, second, third options, they gave that B cube, B cube, B cube. So directly we can say option C is correct. We'll see that. Yeah, it's correct. Next we'll go for the another question. Another question is here. You can see the question, and I am saying directly. Here we see for the first three options, they gave that three different options. For the fourth option, two roots they have given, but by eliminating them, one should be root. So option 2 will be correct. We'll see that. Yeah, it's correct. And we'll go for the next question. Here is our next question. Here we can observe that 6, 8, 9 and 12. So what you can observe here, 6, 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. But 8 is different here. Why they gave 8? To confuse us. So we can say that 8 and 9, they are a bit closer. But in our procedure, which is correct? 9 is correct. So please keep 9, and we'll see that. Yeah, it's right answer. Next we'll go for the another question. Here we go, another question. Here the options are 15 root 2, 20 root 2, 30 root 2, 35 root 2. So what they gave here, 20, 30, 35. So here we can take here some link is there. 15 twos are what we get 30. So they wanna confuse us. So they gave these many options. So we'll directly take 30 root 2. If you don't understand this question, so you can quit this question and you can follow another questions. And in the before question I said that keep 0 blindly. It may be correct, it may not be correct. So here in these options also 0 is there. We'll check it will be correct or not. Yeah, it's correct. Okay, and here we go. Here the options second, third and fourth, they gave 1 by 11, 1 by 11 and 1 by 11. So in these three, how can we select the correct option? Means in by observing the first option. In the first option they gave in between 2 or pluses, and in the next three options we can observe that in that second option both are plus, and in third option one is plus and one is minus, in fourth option one is plus and one is minus, so we can take directly 2. We'll see that. Yes, it's correct answer. And we'll go for the next question, and our last question for this video. Here we go. We can take first or third options because they gave cos inverse, but in these two, how can we guess the correct answer? Means by observing the fourth option, they gave that pi by 3, means 3 is some link here, so we can take the option 1 and it's correct. So please, if you want some more videos and for the answers for more questions, please like, comment and share and subscribe. This is my first video which I made. If you like the video, please like. And what I have done for the 11 questions, all answers came right. If you don't understand the method, please comment. I will explain it again. Thank you for watching the video.